Did you know that in 2023 alone, over 60% of social media users experienced a security breach of some sort?
Yeah, it's wild out there.
With all that personal info floating around, it's no wonder folks are scrambling to protect themselves. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a super hot topic, hacking social media accounts using Kali Linux. Now I know that sounds a bit sketchy, but stick with me. This is all about understanding the tools in today's digital landscape so we can better protect ourselves and our data. So let's talk about the elephant in the room, social media account hacks. It feels like every other day there's news about someone's account getting hacked, right? With the rise of phishing scams, weak passwords, and even social engineering, hackers are getting more creative. It's not just celebrities and influencers. Everyday people like you and me are targets too. The challenge? Users often don't know how vulnerable their accounts really are. And when your private messages, photos, and personal info are at risk, it can feel pretty overwhelming. Knowing how to secure your accounts is becoming increasingly important, and understanding how hackers think can help you stay one step ahead. Now let's jump into the juicy stuff. Kali Linux is like a Swiss Army knife for ethical hackers. It's packed with tools that can help you test the security of your social media accounts. First up, we have Git Metasploit. This powerful tool can help find vulnerabilities in your setup. Then there's Nmap, which lets you scan networks and see what ports are open. Another gem is at Wireshark, which captures and analyzes network traffic. And let's not forget about AirCrack, perfect for cracking weak Wi-Fi passwords. Each of these tools serves a unique purpose, making it easier to identify security flaws and strengthen your defenses. And remember, this isn't about malicious hacking, it's about awareness and prevention. Alright, here's where it gets real. Let's take a look at a live demo of Git Metasploit in action. Imagine you want to test the security of your own social media account. You'd launch Metasploit, look for specific vulnerabilities related to your account, and run a few scans. Let's say you discover that your password is weak and easily guessable.
Boom! Now you know to change it to something stronger.
This hands-on experience highlights just how important it is to regularly check your security settings. By identifying these vulnerabilities, you can take proactive steps to ensure your information stays safe and sound. So, to wrap things up, understanding hacking tools isn't just for the tech-savvy. It's crucial for everyone who uses social media. By being aware of how these tools work, you can better protect your personal information and avoid those nasty breaches. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more we know, the safer we can be online. Now I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on social media security? Have you ever had your account hacked? Drop your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos where I dive deeper into ethical hacking techniques. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.